these are the pieces that arrived for the Furinno, and it's the 3-tiered TV stand, in which you don't need any tools. Everything comes in there and it's screwed on. So let's see how easy it is to build this up. This is part A, which is the top part of the 3-tier shell. And these are going to screw right into there. Like that, until it's tight. Quite easy. So then we're going to take the middle part, and that one's going to go in the holes. Like that, to fit in like that. And then these are going to screw onto that. Make the next shelf. So then you put your last board C on the very top, which is going to be the actual bottom, and you're going to screw in the feet. One goes in and it has a cap to go on the other side. As you can see, it's quite easy. The middle legs were a little hard. I had to use both hands, so I put the phone down. But it wasn't anything where I needed any tools, so I was able to do it. And then that foot has a cap that goes right there. And you just screw it on. I'm going to have to release the phone so that I can screw it in. And once you flip it over, this is how it looks like. Not bad at all for the TV stand. I'm actually going to use it as a printer table and then put some stuff under there. Not bad for the price. Looks good. Easy to set up. Fits in small places.
There.
We had to gear ourselves up for the trial